Hey friends, and welcome back to the channel.
Hi friends, welcome back to the channel.
We are clearing a strip of land, and that requires something to do with the brush and the logs. Normally we would chop the logs up, put it to the side for firewood. These are pine, so that would be outdoor firewood. The brush, we feed some to our goats. The rest of it we normally wood chip. But we don't have time for that. We are on a time crunch and we have got to get this done ASAP so we can pour foundation. If you have seen some of our original videos where we first started clearing our homestead property and putting in our driveway, then you may remember that one part of our property dips down pretty deep. It's like where they come through and laid the road and just pushed the dirt out of the way and built up a huge berm, and then everything behind that is way low. We know in the future, to even this out and to save us some water issues, we need to bring dirt in and fill this area in. But right now, we don't have dirt. Right now, we have trees. So we're gonna start throwing logs and tree limbs and the brush and everything in this huge little ditch, low area, whatever you wanna call it, and gonna start building it up that way. They will naturally decompose. The wildlife can use them, eat through them, and everything else, whatever they wanna do to decompose them. And then when we're ready to clear that area of our property and start rebuilding it up, we will add dirt on top of all of that. The logs and the branches breaking down in our soil will only make it better. So why not go ahead and do that? Let them start breaking down while we focus on the rest of our property. It's just going to save us time in the end. So here we are working smarter, not harder. We're making good use of the brush we've cut down. Oh, good gracious. Woo! Well, I made it, but it was heavier than I thought it was going to be.
Is there a puppy over there?
Yeah. You can do it. Throw it up there. Good job.
I didn't do it.
You did it. It's in the truck, baby. Yeah, it is. Here, you want to try again? Throw it. 1, 2, 3, throw, throw, throw. Woo! Goodness, that was a big throw.
There. That braggy still. If we're gonna lay some eggs.
Would you watch out?
Hang him over again.
One, two, three. To give you reference of where we are, that orangish brown you can see in the distance is our shipping container. Our camper is on the other side of it. The rabbit colony and chicken pens are back behind the camper. So that's where we are. We're just towards the front of the property. Still down here.
Why is that down a manor, Mama? I done that with the I done that with the Yeah, Mama. There's something over here.
Need a salamander. That'll do.
But this is probably what I dropped.
No. Here. Hey, this one go.
Why is it from this? Is this somebody come to her property, Mama? Why? He's down there somewhere. Where's he at? Salamander! 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 Salamander!
You let me know if you start answering back.
Salamander! Salamander!
Well, we finally got all of that brush cleaned up. But now we need to cut down more trees. I feel like that's all we do on our homestead. We cut down trees, make a brush pile, and then have to deal with the brush pile. So this time we got smart and we pulled the truck back to go ahead and load it up as we're dealing with the brush so that we're not moving it more than once. It'll be cut, thrown in the back of the truck, and then taken to the area to be dumped off.
This is a big one, Mom.
That one is a big one.
I'm carrying it. I broke the hammer.
It's alright, keep going. Good job.
Happy, Mama.
You're chopping?
Whew.
Got it. That wasn't supposed to happen. Alright, short intermission to get my chain back on. Back to it. It is currently 7 o'clock, so we have about an hour and a half until dark. We're going to try to get these two cut up and dealt with tonight. We'll see how it goes. So we have 3 more trees in this vicinity that need to come down, and then some surrounding trees. Step over, be careful. Hey, you're leaving me hanging. Come on, help. I'm gonna drop it. Help. Push. 1, 2, 3, push. Man, you gonna leave me to do it all by myself.